What is the special chord that pros know to use in some of their biggest tracks? Today we're talking about suspensions. First, let me show you on a small scale and then we'll work our way up. All the suspended chords, the sus chords. So what is a suspension? A suspension is when you delay expectation. The most common suspension is to delay the major third in the basic triad by playing the fourth above it, one semitone up. This is written sus4. The essence of Western music is harmonic movement. Our ears are tuned to hear major chords and movement. A suspension throws up an obstacle, which when removed, makes the chord sound even better. A nice way of playing your audience. A bit more unusual, but common especially for guitarists, is the sus2 chord. Very similar to sus4, but resolving up to the major third rather than down. So now you've seen a basic sus chord and get the idea of what they do to the listener, but this is when you go pro. If we play E11, which is E, but with a flattened 7th, 9th and 11th, which is essentially a D chord with an E in the bass, this is also known as D over E. We hear a whole chord of suspension. Again, starting simple, on the 5th string, this chord shape is blissfully easy, but it's the 6th string, the next shape we'll look at, that you really start to hear how many songs it's in. So here's simplified first. You can also invert this E11 chord so the chord tones resolve up, putting the 7th on top. When playing this more challenging chord shape, it's instantly more recognizable. These suspension chords are used extensively in pop music, rock music and jazz. Seminal tracks from revered artists such as I'm Not in Love by 10cc, So What by Miles Davis, Hold Your Head Up by Argent, which is all suspensions, to Brown Sugar by the Rolling Stones, Don't Stop Till You Get Enough by Michael Jackson, Pretzel Logic by Steely Dan and Cold Sweat by James Brown. Let's do an ear test. In the following phrase, there is a moving bass which subtly alters the chord, but it's not a suspension. However, there is a suspension in the phrase which you will hear clearly. See if you can hear where the suspension is. Okay, you'll get 3 tries at this. Could you hear it? Here's the answer.